Hello guys, welcome to Natural Remedies. Someone recently left a comment on my video about cooking garlic, so I decided to make a little video about the proper way of using garlic in your cooking. As we all know, its health benefits are legendary. It is high in antioxidants with powerful antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. The problem with cooking garlic is studies have discovered that allicin, the most active ingredient in garlic, becomes almost entirely deactivated when heat is applied to it. Allicin is thought to be responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. So if allicin gets destroyed, you won't get any health benefits of garlic. You can change this and keep all the health benefits of garlic by making one simple change. I prefer eating garlic raw, but if you still want to use garlic in your dish, then crush, chop or mince garlic and keep it away from heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Just like this. During this time, the maximum amount of allicin is created and stays intact during cooking. You can then fry and cook garlic to your heart's content and still get most of its health benefits. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family too. Goodbye.